Hey there, homeowners. Today, I'm diving into some unbelievable solar panel efficiency hacks you need to see to believe. If you're looking to maximize your energy savings, you're in the right spot. Now, solar panels are a fantastic innovation, but let's be real, they can be a bit inefficient. Environmental factors, installation mistakes, and even tree shading can drastically reduce their performance. For instance, did you know that dirty solar panels can lose up to 25% of their energy output? That's a huge loss. And if your panels are installed at the wrong angle, you could be missing out on a lot more energy. Let's not even get started on tree shading or older technology. But don't worry, I've got some amazing hacks to share that can help improve your solar panel efficiency. First up, positioning. It sounds simple, but positioning your panels correctly can increase your energy output by up to 10%. Make sure they're angled and directed properly to catch the most sunlight. Next, regular maintenance is crucial. Cleaning your panels regularly can boost energy output by up to 15%. It's a small effort for a big reward. Now, let's talk tech. Some of the latest advancements in solar technology are truly game-changing. For example, panels with built-in inverters can increase output by up to 5%. And bifacial solar panels, they can generate energy from both the front and back sides, making them incredibly efficient. But here's the most impactful hack: solar panel tracking systems. These systems allow your panels to follow the sun's movement, maximizing energy capture. Studies show they can increase output by up to 45%. One of my friends saw a 40% increase in energy output after installing a tracking system. It's truly remarkable. And I'm not just speaking from personal experience. Countless homeowners and businesses have reported significant increases in energy output after implementing these hacks. The cost savings and environmental benefits make it a no-brainer. So, to recap, position your panels correctly, maintain them regularly, leverage the latest technology, and consider installing a solar panel tracking system. These hacks can significantly boost your energy output and save you money on your energy bills. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found these solar panel efficiency hacks as fascinating as I do. If you have any questions or want to share your own solar panel experiences, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in renewable energy solutions. See you in the next video.